Hi friends, welcome to our channel Travel Junkie. Moving on with our Thailand videos, in this video we will be taking you to the tour of Krabi Aonang Night Market, which is also known as Landmark Night Market. But before that, if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. This place has many street food counters with lot of seafood options. It's 9 o'clock and we are pretty hungry. So we are looking for some good shop. We found one and we ordered some shrimps and cockle shells. Here we have an option to watch the live preparation. So let's have a look. Friends, it's a paradise for seafood lovers. There are a lot of seafood options to choose from. Our shrimps are getting cooked. Have a look. Now it's time for cockle shells. Shrimps are ready and now he's plating them. Looks delicious. Cockle shells are also ready now. Now we are done and let's go for the market. It is a mid-sized market where you can spend 2 to 3 hours of your time. You can also enjoy live band performances while shopping. And of course, don't forget to bargain over here. You can get variety of options for shopping like bags, shoes, clothes, seashells, artifacts made of seashells, etc. Next, we'll be taking you to the tour of Fifi Islands. Till then, enjoy this video and goodbye.